not care.
And what is Beanie?
Beanie.
Sa girl group.
Stand.
Wow. You're doing so good.
Wow!
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Ang ganda ng cake natin.
Yay! Let's kanta tayo.
Okay, ano?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! This is our birthday.
First day.
First
First day.
day naman.
Happy Weavers Day.
Happy first day, Weavers!
Okay.
Happy birthday, Weavers! Happy birthday, Weavers! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Weavers! Birthday ng Weavers. Go, blow it, Ate Jo.
Let's
all blow it. Happy birthday, Beanie. Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers! Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Beanie on Weavers!
Ah, wait, make a wish.
Oh my god.
One, two, three, go. Yes, guys, let's eat. Syempre, habang
Face reveal muna!
So guys, ngayon na lang ulit namin nakasama si
Wow.
Guys, isang linggo namin hindi nakasama si Vic.
Totoo.
So, alam nyo lang. But she's not
fine.
here.
Yeah, she is recovering now.
Kasi natanggalan siya.
Yeah.
Okay lang, may permission siya. English. Four of her feeling meaning. Okay. It is a fact that Mika has her 4 wisdom tooth extracted.
What do you
Four wisdom teeth are
Impacted.
extracted,
impacted and distracted?
and manipulated. Do you remember the Showtime Unang Kilig? After that, she went home and she cried. And then the next day, it was the operation. Wala
So,
siya magawa kasi
I know, what do you feel about it?
And I feel nauseous about it.
Nauseous?
I feel nauseous and conscious.
And cautious. My Confucius.
And I feel like that's the beauty of being a member girl group. We have one that is impacted. Oh, I'm also impacted. But only
Me too.
I'm a survivor.
Me too.
Okay, girls. 4. Who's impacted?
Me.
I have two.
Me.
I have me. I survived. Are you impacted?
Oh. Ay, both of them
The eldest.
doesn't have wisdom. Let's eat.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's pray first. Okay.
A few moments later.
We have kimchi. We have
Guys, this is Isaw.
Big.
Because we are Filipino. You explain.
Sushi. Okay, so guys, isaw means you're beautiful. The spelling of isaw is I-S-A-W, so it means isaw. It means in English, I saw. I saw the sign. When it opens up my eyes, I saw the sign. I saw the sign. No. Isaw. Isaw is the intestine of chicken. Of Joanna. No, I'm just kidding.
Meron din tayong brownies. We have brownies and we have baked sushi and we have cake and we have school pork.
And show your coffee, Bebe. Ay, Bebe.
Bebe.
Show your coffee.
Yung coffee na nabili ko.
Bebe, magbasa ka comments. Basa mo ba? We have Korean comments.
Wow! Ay, mga blooms lang yan. Mga blooms lang yan eh.
I know you're watching. This is me, your future.
Your future collaborator.
Kasi Aya nakasubscribe din sa Weavers. Kailan mo?
Nag-post na ako.
Yung sasabihin niyo masarap.
Oh, hatiin na daw ang cake. Gwen wants to eat the cake.
Go, Gwen. Sakit sa pusong hatiin, no? Ganda.
Bombastic side eye.
Makes me want seaweed.
She can't. You need to blend it. Hindi, nguyain mo muna.
6, 7. Hello from Toronto. Hi.
How are you guys? How are you? How do you feel today? How's life lately?
Let's ask
Start
Mix.
with Mika. How's life?
Type mo na lang.
Ilang days ka? Ilang days ka ngayon? From nung binunutan?
Ayun, like today.
Tuesday.
Awan kaya din, no? Kasi that's suspicious. Pero kailan ka magdadalaw na pwede?
Kasi si Tito Boy kasi to eh. Let's all clap for Mika. Woo!
Oh my god.
She rehearsed today at what time? Early in the morning.
9 a.m.? Yes.
Training na siya mamaya?
Hindi, hindi pwede.
Pero, babasa.
Pero hindi ka pwedeng...
Okay, how about you?
Hindi ako makapagsalita. Guys, si ate ko yung papaus na.
Kaya, ganito lang energy ko. Bawal akong tumawa ng malakas. Pinipigilan ko
Sobrang
nga.
positive na tao.
Fine. How about you?
Ako, pili ko magkakasipon ako. So, kailangan ko na uminom ng...
Oo, yun. Ano, kasi ilang beses na ako nagkasakit last year and this year, kaya ako yung nagre-reseta sa kanila.
Ano kaming pharmacist dito?
Oh, ikaw. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you?
Yun lang.
I'm fine.
But you're with your friend?
Yeah, gabi-gabi na ako.
You're like...
Hi guys, alam niyo ba recently?
Fun fact.
Fun fact. Balik tayo. Fun fact. Ano, parang yung sa training kasi sobrang intense ng rehearsals namin. May mga
Intense,
ano,
guys.
flooring, ganyan. Yung right leg ko dahil tumigas. Tumigas siya, hindi ko siya magalaw. Tapos hindi rin ako makalakad ng maayos. Literal na yung left leg ko na lang yung nagbubuhat sa buong katawan ko. Kaya, ayun. Yeah, but okay na. Ikaw naman, Jo.
Ako, I'm happy. And, wala, feeling ko na ang productive ng days natin recently. Yun.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Basta I'm full. Lagi akong busog doon.
Di ba nag-gym ka?
Ha?
Malamang meron na namang iiyak.
First and last na.
Yung nanay ko kasi, pero syempre nakaka-guilty hindi kainin yung mga luto. Eh wala din.
Sinisimo pa yung nanay. Ikaw naman, Ate Aya. Thank you pala sa Mangga, Ate Aya. Nagbigay siya ng sobrang daming mangga ka na.
Yes.
Ay, yung kagabi na sasabihin.
Credits to Ate Aya. Sa kanya pala yung
Nakita ko na nasa van kasi ako, tapos may ano sa labas.
Bilyang.
May naghawak ng mga mangga.
Ah,
Tapos may picture ni Lord. So ko, sige lang.
How are you lately?
Me, I'm not work, condo, gym. That's it. Wow! Walang iba.
Ganun dapat, Ate Jo. Consistent.
Consistent.
Hindi yung first and last.
Work on the...
Kain.
Work on...
Yung gym pabulong lang.
Work on...
Ikaw, Bebe, how are you and your isa?
And your...
And your impacted too.
I know.
Chief. I'm good. Ano oras ka nagising para mag-blower?
8 a.m.
She, what are you eating, these past few days?
Ay, wow, be proud, be proud. Oh.
I have no choice but to eat gulay.
Wow!
Achievement! But I don't want that. Basta, I'm eating na guys. I'm eating gulay na. My favorite gulay is lettuce.
Nakita ko siya.
It's an achievement.
Di ba ang laki ko in-order yung salad? Lahat natira yung gulay, tapos naubos yung karne.
Ikaw naman, Gwen.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Guys, okay na yun. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for today. That's it.
Hanggang 12 ako today. Hanggang 500 words lang siguro sa isang araw.
Ikaw naman, Sir James. How are you?
Cake. Pork.
Hala, di ba matigas ang fondant? Or, tanggalin na naman.
Ay, malambot. Ay, soft.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Gusto niya i-try kung malambot.
Sabi na nga yung mga...
Ay, malambot. Yung kamukha ko.
Basta merong cake noon si Mix. Tapos mataas siya, like 3 layer art.
Ang volleyball player ka.
Tapos fondant. Tapos merong mukha ni Mix na volleyball player. Pero ang mukha ni Ate Jo. Tapos, di
pa kasi diet kami noon. Hindi pa naman kami paldo. Hindi pa naman kami paldo noon. So, tinitipid namin yung cake ni Mix.
Oo, 1 month. 1 month! So, gagawin namin, yung 1 month sa ref. Yung ref kasi sa PBB, di ba, 2 door? So, gagawin namin, pag break, bubuksan namin lahat yung mga ganyan. Hindi namin nilalabas kasi bawal.
Bawal na. Weekend.
Eh.
Kaya umabot siya ng 1 month, guys, kasi weekends lang kami pwedeng may cheat day kami sa
Oo, pala
sa Star.
So, kuha namin kumakain sa loob ng ref.
Gusto mo ilapit sa'yo yung laptop sa gitna?
Hindi, okay lang.
Di okay lang nakakain din kasi yung laptop.
Cake or computer.
It's part
Is it
of
cake?
it.
Ito rin nakakain dito.
Get well soon daw, Bini Mika. Thank you daw po. Pero yung sakit kasi hindi naman yan na sa schedule. So, pag alam mo yun, parang...
Priority.
O, pwedeng okay ka today,
Prioritize
pero
your health.
bukas, di ba, may ma-feel ka.
Hindi, ang anay kasi, it's either isa-isa or biglang sabay-sabay.
Oo, ganun.
May times na nagkakahawa. Siyempre, lagi pa rin tayo magkakasama.
Totoo. Tapos nagkikis.
Hindi. Turuan natin sila ng Filipino words. Hindi kasi tayo sure kung lahat ng audience natin ay, alam mo yun, mga
Ang Pinoy.
Pinoys.
Feeling ko may mga 3 Americans.
Okay, let's teach them Filipino words.
Go.
Okay.
Hello?
Naglag. Nakatulog.
Ay, nakatulog.
Ay, nakatulog?
Okay. Mabuhay.
Parang greeting.
Mabuhay is like hello. Actually, kapag direct translation, ang mabuhay is parang long live. Parang ganon. Pero we use it as a greeting. Like, mabuhay. Oh, kilig. Paano ano yung kilig?
Kilig. There is no direct translation in English. I believe. Ang kilig is giddy. Pag sinabi natin butterflies.
Yeah. It gives you butterflies. Inside your
Giddy,
intestine.
tama.
Unang kilig. Anong meaning ng unang kilig?
First blush.
Unang tinig. Ay,
Unang halik.
Unang rinig.
Unang kilig.
it's like your first love, first kilig, or first time to experience.
Kilig.
Okay, next. Mahar kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahar kita. It means I love you. Mahal namin kayo, Blue.
Oh.
Yeah, mahal kita. It means I love you.
It means
saranghayo.
Yeah.
It means aishiteru.
Ito naman. Laban lang.
Fighting. Laban lang means...
Fighting.
Yeah. Keep going. Stay strong.
How about giggle, Joe? What does giggle means?
Giggle. Your...
It means squishy. When something is cute, parang you want to squeeze it down, you know? You want to something, you know?
130k viewers. Saan po kayo galing?
130K?
What? Ang dami!
32 na.
100!
Oh! Hello!
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Our groups. Go.
132? 30,000?
Oh my god.
Oo nga! Ito naman, sino magaling mag-Korean?
Ate Maloy.
Okay, since Weverse is a Korean platform, we're gonna try to speak some Korean words. Please bear with us because we're not Koreans, but we're gonna try our best. 안녕하세요. Let's say 안녕하세요, guys.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
We are Bini.
Okay, 감사합니다. 감사합니다, Blooms.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
사랑해.
Di ba magaling ka, di ba fluent ka mag-Korean?
Stop the cap.
장실 가르쳐요.
Wow! Can I please go to the CR?
Ay, hindi, magsusunod tayo lyrics. Kantayin natin yung chorus. Dali na. Ano
lang,
title
wala.
doon?
Yes, na wala tayo.
Wala tayo.
Pwede, iroke, radonol.
I'm still 다시 늘어나겨.
Iba to.
I'm still and I'm here. 이렇게라도 너 담아게. 우리 서로 밀어내더라도 그 때문에 나를 빗어내줘.
Still, I'm here.
These are the Korean songs we used to sing when we were in trainees.
Yeah.
When we were just trainees, we covered a lot of Korean songs. Well, we forgot it.
Honey, honey na lang.
Honey, honey.
Honey na lang. Ano?
Go, basta ako intro, honey, honey.
Hindi naman ako intro dun eh.
I mean,
Oh, ito yung gagawin natin.
Oh my god, it's everything I love it. Just like winter melting into spring. Look at what it does for me. Oh baby, you don't gotta dance, I'm already obsessed. So don't work today, cause I won't try to fight it. So make it strong and let it flow. You just hold like us. You mean a golden hour, just like a beat of power. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey, drip this on me. And the Rick is the highlight, no one can love me so right. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey, drip this on me. Stay, stick with me. Stay, so stick with me. Sorry. Like honey, honey, drip this on me. I'm so strong. Oh, but nakakabaliw, don't pag-ibig. Baby, no more games. Just give me a sign. Kung sa'kin ang galing. Gusto mo ba malaman ano ang iniisip? Let's distract from the time and rewind and repeat. Cause boy, it's not a guarantee. Alam ko na sa bis ng unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Yeah.
yes!
Ibang country. Sa mga napadaan lang. Anong English nun? Sa mga napadaan lang.
To everyone who just passed by.
Bini.
Translate namin lahat
Ako
ng thoughts mo. Okay.
Sa lahat mo lang napadaan na maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood sa aming Bini. We're just a new
Wait
group.
lang, ang haba.
Wait.
Per ano naman? Per phrase
Per
naman.
ano. Sa lahat mo lang napadaan, hello po, kami po ang Bini.
Hello to everyone who's watching. We're Beanie.
And sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And
We are
so
delighted to
grateful.
have you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray!
RC.
Regine Velasquez.
Ako po ay...
Ay, nakatulog.
Okay, that's important.
Ay, nakatulog.
Pagkatapos po ng aming palabas.
Live stream.
Palabas na ito. Pagkatapos po ng aming kaganapang ito ay puspusan na po ulit ang aming pag-eensayo.
After our live stream today, after this, we're gonna continue our rigorous training.
Smell rigorous.
Comment where you're from, comment like your flag.
Flag.
Yes, comment your flags
So we can see and know.
and be honest.
Uy, yung Blooms magko-comment yan ng ano.
Blooms, pag di ka Pinas ka, Philippine flag.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or
Please,
else,
Blooms, don't loko-loko us.
Watching from Canada. Hello.
And the
From
US.
Australia.
Comment your flag, guys.
Makati daw.
Ilan na po yung viewers?
China. 300. Hong Kong.
Malaysia. Maryland.
4,000.
Totoo ba yan? Ang dami.
Ano po? Switzerland. May K po ba nakalagay?
Oh my god.
May K?
New Zealand.
Yes, guys, we will be posting updates.
More content.
Kung ano-ano.
If you want to see this
Hindi,
face. Okay, guys, let's take some screenshot moments.
Okay, guys, screenshot nyo to. Take a screenshot. Happy first day of Weavers. Okay, first post. Smile. Smile. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, next. Ito.
Bini. Ano na lang? Bini.
Bini muna, and then Weavers.
Bini.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tapos J.
J. Oh, Joanna.
Joanna.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, next. Ano to? Weavers.
Dapat B isa. Weavers.
1, 2, 3.
Next, number 1. 1, 2, 3.
Kasi it's your first day.
Oh, Igyo.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Pa-close up po kay Ate Aya.
Egyo.
Paano yung egyo?
Ano ba yun?
Ganito.
Papakit lang. Oh, finger heart, oh.
Finger heart.
Oh, finger heart, oh.
Next. Oh, next, ending fairy.
Oh, next, oh, pogi pose, pogi. Oh, sige,
Sige,
kayo,
pogi. Wala, egyo daw, Ate Colette. Dali na, first day naman.
Si Mix mag-egyo pag magaling na, okay?
May utang sa May utang sa
Okay, 6-7, sabi si Aya. Sabi ng
Wow! Wow! 396k viewers. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Okay, fun facts, your MJ Felipe is one of the
Best?
most sought journalist in the Philippines.
Yes,
Outstanding.
Yes.
At si Joanna ang susunod sa yapak ni Sir MJ.
And Joanna is number 2.
Yan,
Grabe.
guys. Ay! Ala, wag dito sa food. Dun sa ano. Diyan, yan. Okay.
Kasi
One.
di kita.
Ayan, isa lang ba?
May isa pa.
Yung hindi kita.
Isa lang, isa.
Baka dito sa harap.
3, 2, 1!
20M likes. Oh, thank you, Colette. Kasi nagda-like nila eh. Thank you, Blooms and everyone.